This is a video about Microsoft Whiteboard. Meeting options of Microsoft Teams, you can share a whiteboard, and we'll show you how to do this. So if you click on the share option here, one of the options is Microsoft Whiteboard on the right here, and when you load it, you have a choice between getting the Windows app, opening the app, or using Whiteboard in Teams. So we'll start off with using Whiteboard in Teams, and you'll notice here that you have some pens and rubbers down the side here. So you can click and draw and write within your pen using your screen pen, or you can use a computer pen or mouse, or even your finger to draw any of these particular things here. There are limited functions here. We can export this as an image, and we can copy a share link so that we can share where this whiteboard is for collaboration. But generally there is a limited functionality within the Teams Whiteboard app. So if we open it up in the Whiteboard app itself, so I've already downloaded this from the Windows Store, and I can open up the app and we'll see there is quite a big difference in functionality between this one and the other one. So there's a lot more menus at the bottom from there, and you can see we've got a lot of pens, a lot of tools, a lot of things that we can do. We've got a settings menu here, so we can clear all the canvas that is there. Now the default option within Microsoft Teams is that this whiteboard is truly collaborative between everybody within your Teams meeting there. So you can use it and write on it, and so can anybody else in that meeting, whether they're staff or pupils that you happen to have present from there. Okay, so let's suppose you want to have use a whiteboard with your class that is just read-only. How might you be able to do that? Well, you can create a new whiteboard, and then if you click on this option at the top here, you can invite your pupils to do that. If you already have a whiteboard that's created, like this one here, you can call it there. So you could say S4 whiteboard read-only, let's say, and then between that you can invite participants, and then you can click on the add participants option to invite them. So if you type in the name of someone to invite to there, you can click on them, and then you have a choice about whether they are editing or whether it's a read-only option. So if you were doing this with a class, you would invite each pupil and you could choose them to be read-only.